Now, we can begin writing a PHP script. Every PHP script is enclosed in PHP tags. These tags tell the server when the PHP will start or when it will end. It will allow the server to intake all of its code inside the tags as a PHP script. So to start PHP script, we simply make an open bracket and followed by question mark in the PHP that just tell the server that we're starting PHP and to end up the PHP script. We put again a question mark and an ending bracket. Now that we have starting and ending tags, we will now save it to php.file. Click the save button and look for this directory, the tutorial directory in htdocs. When you found htdocs, create a new folder. After creating copy, making a file name, as a sample, I will going to save it as a test.php. We still see the starting and ending tags, and what we're gonna do now is we will write a little script that will outpost the text hello.world. To the browser, I'm going to use output text function called echo. You can also use print, either of the two. What we need to do is simply type echo. The echo function will output text inside the quotations that will follow. We just need to hit the quotation mark button and then type the output that we want. For this, we're gonna simply type hello world. After you finish typing, press the quotation mark again. This is one of the fundamental functions of the PHP, that every statement in PHP will end in semicolon. So we need to put a semicolon after that. So when you write echo, you need to put a semicolon after it. So if we save it now, we will go to tutorial and test.php. And as you can see, the output is shown here.